Hello and welcome to Timmy Stan again for an unboxing of a 2023 Hot Wheels. And we have new for 2023. It's a second copy because I know I already seen the silver one. It's the Segundo Coupe. And if it looks familiar to you, it might be because it looks like the keychain. Remember the keychain that came out? Same colors and everything. And this is an Segundo. The Coupe clip is an Segundo. Alright, this is from the Hot Wheels Dream Garage, number 4 of 5, and number 105 of 250 on the air. '21 copyright. Hot Wheels Dream Garage, the most epic Hot Wheels vehicles ever made, all together in one rocking collection. And there's some things about the Segundo Coupe. Alright, let's do a little bit on the top, and then we do the pop. And then we take it out, and then we put it back. We gotta put that up. That has to go up higher. There we go. I'll take it. All four wheels roll well. Driving is on the left. Chrome inside, which I'm sure is plastic. That is transparent. It's got like a frost to it, but it is transparent. It's a two-seater. And plastic bottom. Gold bottom. Made in Malaysia. And all the black with the gold tempo is metal. Nice clear shots of it. See how it rolls. Very smooth frontwards, very smooth backwards. Nice. Yes, yes. Good stuff right there. I'm liking this car. Frontwards flips. Alright, backwards. Oh, almost. There we go. Alright, now squeezing the ball. Oh! Can't expect any more than that. That's pretty cool. Alright. Let's get a drift in there. Nice. Go too fast that way. Strike pose. And oh! Almost to the line. Back it up, Johnny. Oh, too far. Too far. Right there, stay. Yes, I'll take that point. And go back, go back. Darn. Bounce and roll. Bounce and roll. Oh, missed the line. Too fast. Too fast. There we go. Can't get any better than that. We're on the line. Black and gold, like my Boston Bruins. Actually, the gold in Boston Bruins is more yellow. But thank you everybody for tuning in and checking it out with me. Please subscribe to Timmy Stan again, hitting that like button and notification bell. Please subscribe. I know I said that already. Till next time, T-turn out.